Preparation before installation. Before you start the installation, it is important to check that you have received the correct materials by checking the product names and codes on the side of each pack of panels. We recommend that you conduct a visual quality check of all the materials as soon as they arrive. Check the color and make sure there are no visible product defects. Panels are then to be kept flat and climatized at room temperature for a minimum of 72 hours. Make sure you have all the required accessories and profiles available. The full FIBO wall panel system consists of the panels, adhesive, sealant, profiles, and other accessories that help make the installation as easy as possible. Next, make sure you have all the required tools available. Be aware that extra support behind the panels is necessary when installing heavy objects like wall-mounted toilets, cabinets, or other heavy accessories.